In today's video, I'll show you how to increase Yahoo Mail storage and what your real options are. First, open your browser and go to the official Yahoo Mail website. Sign in with your account and wait for your inbox to load. Once you're inside, click your profile photo or initial in the top right corner, then select Account Info. This will open your account settings, usually in a new tab. In the account dashboard, look for the subscription section and click Explore Subscription. Here you will see upgrade options such as Yahoo Mail Plus. Open Yahoo Mail Plus to view the plan details, including increased storage and other added features. If you want more storage, select the option to start the free trial if available. You'll need to enter a payment method to activate it. After the trial period ends, the plan renews automatically at the listed monthly price unless you cancel. Always review the pricing and terms shown on your screen before confirming. Once your subscription is active, your mailbox storage increases automatically. You won't need to change your email address or move your existing emails. If you prefer not to subscribe, you can also free up space by deleting large emails, clearing the trash folder, and removing old attachments to stay within your current limit. That's it. Upgrade through the subscription section for more storage or clean up existing mail to create extra space in your Yahoo account.